Across America, headlines scream about fear. Fear of losing jobs, fear of disinformation, fear of a future controlled by machines. But here's the truth. Those who fear AI will be left behind. Those who learn to leverage it will build the next generation of wealth, freedom, and opportunity. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button so you never miss the tools and strategies that turn disruption into power. Polls show 71% of Americans worry about AI stealing jobs. Many see it as a threat to democracy, education, and human connection. Fear is natural, but history shows every technological revolution created winners and losers. The winners weren't the fearful, they were the prepared. AI doesn't replace humans, it replaces tasks. The question is, will it replace your career or will it multiply it? A small business owner can use AI for marketing and customer service, cutting costs, expanding reach. Freelancers can automate tedious work, freeing time for higher-paying projects. Investors can use AI tools to analyze markets in seconds, giving them an edge against traditional traders. Unlike past revolutions, AI tools are cheap or even free. Anyone with a laptop or phone can access them. This levels the playing field for middle-class Americans who historically got left behind during big tech shifts. Career growth. Learn AI skills, prompt engineering, automation tools, data analysis to make yourself indispensable. Business building. Use AI to start digital businesses, create products, or scale services without hiring large teams. Investing edge. Harness AI for research, risk analysis, and even spotting early-stage market trends. Personal productivity. Free your time from low-value tasks so you can focus on high-value thinking. Fear creates paralysis. Leverage creates prosperity. The truth is, AI won't replace you, but someone using AI will. And that's why the future doesn't belong to those who run from change, but those who run toward it. America has always thrived when its people turned obstacles into opportunities. AI is no different. The question is, will you be a bystander or a builder? The choice is yours. If you're ready to stop fearing the future and start leveraging it, hit subscribe. Together we'll turn disruption into destiny.